We can record audio directly in Storyboard Pro. One great use for this feature is if we need to record some scratch audio that's going to be replaced later on by a voice actor for any dialogue changes that we may find in our script. We start off by selecting an audio track and going up to File, Import, and go to Record Sound. And if these two options are grayed out, if they're not available to you, it just simply means you haven't selected an audio track. A second way to record sound is to select your audio track, hit your right click, go up to Record Sound, and it will pull up the Record Sound dialog box. We have a couple of options here we can check out first before hitting record. The target audio track will either create a new audio track or just use the one that you currently have selected. The target frame is either going to put it at the first frame of your project or at the current frame of where your time head is. The import rule is referring to either it's going to overwrite what might be in its way or it will fill in to all the next available frames. The red button up here will start your recording, and you can hit the stop recording button when you're finished recording, and you can preview it by hitting the play. We can give it a name too, so we can help find it in our timeline. I'll just write test in here for now, and I've already done this, so I'm going to hit cancel. So here is our original recording, and we had a note come down saying we had to have a dialogue change, so we delete that. Here's our new scratch track that we just recorded directly in Storyboard Pro, and we'll hit play. Hey Tim, go long. Wow, wasn't that an amazing performance? I'll stick to storyboarding. And that's how you record audio directly in Storyboard Pro.